In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Discord age restrictions on iOS. So let's get started. Now, if you entered the wrong age when signing up, Discord locks accounts if your date of birth shows you're under 13 or under 18 for servers with age restrictions. Now, to fix this, you need to submit an official age appeal. Now, we're gonna see on how you can do this. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your browser and you're gonna search up Discord age update form, okay? So just go ahead and click on the first link and scroll down here. Now it'll here to tell you on how to verify your age to unlock your account. It's gonna give you a lot of stuff on what you need to upload, but I would like you guys to go over and click this link right here, okay? So now once you click this link, obviously you'll have to go and sign in with your Discord account, obviously the one that is locked, email and password. Then it's gonna take you to a form and obviously you'll have to give your information, for example a photo of your government issued ID or a student ID with your date of birth visible. You will need a selfie of you holding the ID next to your face and perhaps a short message like, "Hello, I accidentally entered the wrong birth date when creating my account, so please correct my age to your real birth date," obviously. Then submit the form and wait, and Discord usually replies within 1 to 3 business days. Now, that's one thing. Now, suppose you're 18 plus, but you still can't access age restricted servers. Then you have to try these steps. So first of all, you have to go to App Store. And then here I'm going to search up Discord. You'll have to make sure that it's updated for you. So as you can see for me right now, it's updated, but it might be that for you it's not updated. And old versions sometimes misread age data. You could also try logging out and then logging back in. You could also check your date of birth. If you verified your age before, Discord might have your date of birth saved wrong and you need to re-verify it using the same form again. Now, if your entire account is locked, if you can't access Discord at all, it shows that you must be 18 plus to use Discord, you must go through the age appeal form. Basically the same form which I told you guys in the beginning of the video. Now, I'll tell you guys some tips so that you can look out for these mistakes. Do not create a new account with a fake date because Discord tracks device info and may ban both of them. And make sure your ID's birth date and name are clearly visible, but you can blur other details like ID number, okay? So that's basically it on how you can fix the age restriction thingy on iOS. And I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.